Yeah, I was been on the phone for about an hour with Steve, and he told me to hold on a minute, and then you came up on.
Okay, I apologize about that. I'm
What
not too sure why it got transferred over
what
there.
had happened,
Um,
Daniel? You know when you on the older computers, the disk drive. Daniel opened the disk drive, and Stevie got a piece of bologna out of the refrigerator, fit perfect right there in the disk drive. They closed that up. The computer, the fan had been getting hot on the computer. Those kids cooked a piece of bologna in the computer, and
oh, okay.
and it worked. I mean, the computer was so hot. I mean, it cooked it. They made a couple sandwiches, but the juice dripped down on the lens. So,
Oh, okay.
so that's not reading the disc now. It's a bunch of bologna.
Oh,
But
okay.
now
Um,
Duke got some pastrami, stuck it in there, and it's just ruined it. They've ruined the computer making food in it.
oh, okay. Really, for stuff like that, I mean, we are a remote company. We can't actually physically fix those types of things. If that's what happened, you would have to replace the component
I
individually.
pressed Control Alt Delete, didn't do a damn thing. I don't know what's going on. They